Hi, my name is Dean Paul Denniston, and today we'll be assembling our Razer Power Core E100 electric scooter. This is a very easy process. It should take you approximately 10 minutes from start to finish. You will need the following tools: a 5mm Allen wrench, which is included in the box, and a bike pump. Ours is electric, but you can use a manual one if that's all you have. This can be completed in 2 easy steps. Step 1, attaching the handlebars. And Step 2, inflating the tire. Let's open the box and see what we have. First thing we pull out, our bag with our instruction manual, charger, and the supplied Allen wrench we will use to assemble this product. Next, let's pull out our scooter along with the handlebars. They have to come out together as they are connected through wires. Now we're gonna need a little bit of room to work, so let's get this box out of the way. Now let's get rid of this cardboard. Let's dive into step 1, installing our handlebars. Take your 5mm Allen wrench and loosen up the 2 bolts on the bottom of the bars. Now slide the handlebars on. Align them with the wheel. Once they're aligned, take the same 5mm Allen wrench and tighten the 2 bolts at the bottom of the bar. Now that the bars are attached, that concludes step 1, attaching our handlebars. Now on to step 2, inflating our tire. Remove the dust cap from the valve stem. Grab your tire pump, attach the end of the pump to the valve stem, and inflate to 36 psi. Now remove the pump from the valve stem, reinstall the dust cap, our Power Core E100 is now fully assembled, but before we can ride it, we have to charge it. The initial charge time is 12 hours. This product features a kick to start function, meaning you have to be going at least 3 miles an hour for the motor to engage. So step on the product, press off to get going, kick to get up to 3 miles an hour, and then twist the throttle and go. For the best battery performance, it's recommended that you charge the battery after every ride for up to 12 hours until fully charged. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. But if you are still having any troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razer.com. Gotta go, Buffalo.